everyone, this is Akshata here from Akshata's Recipes. So today also I'll be sharing a video on what did I cook during the day, how I prepped for other meals and some other tips also along the way. So keep watching and I'll catch you at the end of the video, so watch the video till the end.
So now for the fried onions, I took about almost a kilo of onions, and I just washed them really well, and now I'm just going to chop them up really fine or slice them up really fine. Now this is for the biryani that we made for the weekend. So we made it on, we did all the prep from Saturday. So the biryani was ready on Sunday. So the whole of Sunday, we didn't have to really cook. We just had to assemble the biryani. So then once all the onions are chopped, you're just going to fry them, deep fry them till they're golden brown in color. And they should, they look like this. And once they start to really brown, you're going to just take them out and drain them. And they become nice and crispy. So this was for the biryani. I have my chicken biryani recipe. I'll leave a link to that below. So that's what we had for the weekend. And then for the new week, what I did is I just sprouted some moog. So what I did is I soaked the moog in some water for about 8 hours. Then I drained all the water for another 8 hours, and then you'll see how it sprouts. And then you can make anything. You can make an usar. You can make pani puri. So I just had my sprouted moog ready. Now this is one tip. I don't throw my cardamom pods out. I just add them to my boiling tea when I'm making tea. And another thing is for the monsoons, even however clean your kitchen is, sometimes flies do come into the kitchen. So I like to keep these small camphor balls, around the kitchen. That way, the flies don't come into the house. It's on the question of how clean your kitchen is, but flies do come during the monsoon. So this is one nice trick.
Started prepping for my mango sasav recipe. I'll leave a link to the recipe below. It's by my very good friend Pavitra and it's super delicious. So what I've done right now, I'll just show you. So here I've just chopped up the mango. Then here I've kept the remaining mango in some water and I'm going to just remove all the pulp from that. I just finished dry roasting. Some what do you call this, dhania and mustard seeds, and so I'm just prepping up for all of that. And here I have my rice going, so I'm going to be cooking rice. Now I always strain the water from the rice. Whenever I make the rice, I don't let the water cook in the rice. So that's for as of now. And then I'm going to make some Subway sandwiches for my kids. So here I have some lettuce that I've just washed and dried, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator so it becomes nice and crispy. So far this is the update. I'll update you as I go along the entire day as to what I made. I've chopped up the mango, peeled it, and I've kept the peel in some water because what I'm going to do is I'm just for after 10 minutes I'm just going to remove all this pulp. Like I've shown in the recipe, you'll come to know that you don't want to waste any of the pulp. And then I just finished dry roasting. If you can see here, I just finished dry roasting some coriander and mustard seeds. The recipe is super simple. Now here I just washed some lettuce and I'm going to dry it up and then put it in the refrigerator for my Subway sandwiches. Here I have some rice going. Now I always drain the water from my rice. So this is the rice that I'm going to be cooking. Rice on the mango sasav. It is amazing with rice. So I'm just bringing it to a boil. This is coconut. You see the recipe. You can follow the recipe in the recipe link. And if you have mangoes at home, ripe mangoes that is, you can try this out. Now I'm using apos because we have apos at home. But if you all have those small mangoes, you can use that also. Put the entire mango after peeling it. Mango sasav is all ready. It looks so delicious and I just can't wait to dig in with rice and some lovely pickle at the side. How I strain the rice. So I keep this colander on top of a vessel and then I strain the rice for about 10 minutes and then I'll show you how the rice looks. How the rice has turned out now after I've drained all the water out. Subway sandwich. And I've cut up all the veggies also and kept them in the refrigerator. So this is the filling first that I've cut. So I've de-seeded the tomato and cut it into thin slices like this. Then I've chopped up the cucumbers into thin slices, the onions like this, the capsicum, and this is our lettuce. I've just made it nice and crunchy by keeping it in the refrigerator.
So this was the gravy for the biryani, and this is the biryani which is all ready. So I'll leave a link to this lovely chicken tikka biryani rather. Do try it out. It's really, really amazing. And then for dessert, I just made these small apple pies. I'll see if I put up a recipe for this. I'll leave a link for this recipe, or I'll post this recipe very soon. So keep on watch. If I haven't posted it yet, I will very, very soon. And then a small shopping haul of whatever shopping I did for the week. So this is just the shopping that I did
Sure.
for the entire month
this is the
actually.
food stuff
So
that we bought.
this is a big bag of Kellogg's cornflakes, which we have sometimes for breakfast. Then some Bonvita. I also use that cornflakes to make my cornflakes chicken. Then some packets of ginger garlic paste. There was a sale going on. Then some frozen peas, some nacho chips, some moong dal, some biscuits, butter, some cheese, some dry fruits. This is some Kabuli chana, some chole masala, chaat masala, again some peppercorns, some green apples, some Shrikhand, some basmati rice, again some more chocolate, some coconut milk powder, and then some other toiletries that we require, and some other things also like food items, like I forgot to mention the tomato ketchup pouch, then some cranberry juice which goes in the food items of course, and some society tea. This is the tea that we have at our place. It's really nice. And then of course some other little toiletries, Mr. Muscle, then sometimes we buy Lysol also, then some air fresheners, some dish soap for my front load washing machine, then some hand wash, then some camphor balls, some soap, some toothpaste, some hair brushes, and some wipes because I change my wipes every 15 days. And what else? Yeah, some hair color, and some Duracell batteries, some face wash. So just a little shopping.
Friends, I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.